I figured if I can find a way to make my living off of cooking and hunting, then I'd be a really lucky son of a gun. I hunt all over the country, but I always come back to Louisiana to make regular hunts with my friends and family here in Houma. It's one of those places that even though these new kind of maybe commercial things pop up, it never really changes. It just still has that, I guess, nostalgicness of it from when I was a little boy. I still come to these places and it just feels like it was when my dad took me. My dad doesn't really like to accept this credit, but my earliest memory was him cooking at a community fair, and I can't exactly remember. I thought it was a rabbit sauce pecan. My dad says it's a brisket. He got second place. None of that mattered. What mattered to me is I remember distinctly seeing like how many people enjoyed what he ate, and that was the impression that was left on me. I don't know, like those are the moments that really stuck out with me as a kid. Duck hunting in my family was something that, yes, you did for roughly 3 months out of the year, but you put food up in that freezer for the whole year to pull out and eat for the entire year. You know, when it comes to hunting game, cleaning and preparing that, and then cooking over fire, it just keeps that through line of living that simple, modest kind of lifestyle and not overcomplicating things too much, letting it not be about you and about the place we're at and the people we share. So for me, there are not many better duos than wild game and then fire cooking. We should talk about it a lot as in the chef's world. Like, when's the last time you went eat at your restaurant? When's the last time you got to a guest height? You got to their level. When was the last time you've been on a guest level? Because you've been cooking it all the time and you've been tasting it and you have all these critiques and ideas and so on, but when's the last time you ate your food and got on their level? And the world changes when you start eating your food in that way. And the world changes when you sit and stop and better, like just collectively be there with people, you know? You're not sitting or hustling, you're not busy, you're not on your phone. I mean, it is a gathering place as much as it is a grill or a fire pit. It's a gathering place. And as soon as you like that, everybody that's gonna be here is gonna be sitting around it or standing around talking, doing our thing. And I don't know, I just love it for that. It can grill a damn good steak or whatever you want. It's very versatile, but the thing that it is most valued on, in my opinion, is what it does to people. Just kind of like, like flies on a light. It's coming to it.